everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Stumble Guys. If you want to change your player name in Stumble Guys game, then here's how you can do it. First, make sure to open your Stumble Guys application and make sure that you are in this main homepage. Also make sure that you've logged into your account, and once you have, from the main homepage, tap on your player name at the top left hand corner. This will then immediately open up your profile. Now, to change your name, tap on the pencil icon at the top right and then enter your name you would like to change to. After you are done, you can tap on the free button since your first name change is free. If you want to change your name more, then you'll need to spend 100 gems. That is how you can easily change your name in Stumble Guys. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.